Hi, I'm Nikki from Easy 93.1 here at the Broward Humane Society with Pop Tart, 7 months old, very adorable. Is going to be great with kids and other dogs. Lots of energy. And I got to say, the amount of pets here at the Broward Humane Society is absolutely overwhelming right now. There's a lot. They need homes, dogs, cats, every kind of pet you can think of. If you have room for one in your life and in your home, go to humanebroward.com. Stop by the Broward Humane Society. Here you go, baby. Located 95 in Griffin Road.